How to convert Spotify music to MP3, Legal and Safe Methods 2026. Want to convert Spotify music to MP3? Here's the important thing to know first. Important note: Spotify songs are protected by DRM, Digital Rights Management. This means you cannot directly convert Spotify songs to MP3 using official methods. Any tools claiming to remove DRM could violate Spotify's terms and could risk your account. Legal Method 1. Download for offline listening, Spotify app. If you just want to listen without internet, open the Spotify app, open any playlist or album, turn on the download option. The songs will be saved for offline playback inside Spotify, not as MP3 files. Legal Method 2. Buy the song as MP3. If you need an actual MP3 file, purchase the song from a legal music store, such as Amazon Music or Apple Music, store downloads. Download the MP3 version to your device. This is the safest way to get MP3 files. Alternative option: use royalty-free music. If you need MP3 audio for editing or videos, use free music libraries like YouTube Audio Library. Download tracks legally in MP3 format. Quick summary: Spotify does not allow direct MP3 conversion. Use offline download inside Spotify for listening. Purchase songs legally if you need MP3 files.